Deep within the hyper-arid deserts of the Middle East, the camel operates as a masterpiece of biological resource management. It is a biological, all-terrain vehicle designed for long-range endurance in environments where water is a rare commodity and temperatures fluctuate by 40 degrees. The machine facts of the camel reveal that its hump is not a water tank, but a high-density fuel reservoir of fat. By concentrating all its fat in one location, the camel avoids the insulating effect of body-wide blubber, allowing its internal radiator to shed heat more efficiently. This engineering solution allows the camel to travel 100 miles through the dunes without a single refuel. As the fat is metabolized, it releases both energy and nearly a pint of water for every pound consumed. It is a self-sustaining energy system designed for the ultimate off-grid trek. The camel's blood is a specialized hydraulic fluid that remains liquid even when the chassis is severely dehydrated. While other mammals' blood becomes thick and sludge-like when dry, the camel's oval-shaped red blood cells continue to flow through the smallest pipes without clogging. Diagram of oval-shaped camel red blood cells compared to circular human red blood cells. Psychological facts show that camels possess an extreme level of environmental patience. They can endure thirst that would kill a human in hours, maintaining their pace with a steady, mechanical gait. Their stoicism is a reflection of a hardware system built for survival, not speed. Humans must treat and care for the desert oases that serve as the charging stations for these nomadic machines. Over-extraction of groundwater acts like a grid failure for the desert. Stewardship of these rare water sources is vital for the survival of the Silk Road's original trucks. The history of the camel is a record of thermal flexibility. They can raise their body temperature to 41 degrees Celsius during the day to match the environment, preventing water loss from sweating. At night, they dump this heat into the cool air, resetting the system for the next cycle. Nature facts reveal that their noses are high-efficiency moisture recyclers. The complex, scroll-like structures in their nasal passages trap water vapor from their own breath and return it to the body. They effectively scrub the water out of the air before it is exhaled. Caring for the camel is a form of cultural and biological preservation. As the primary transport units for desert communities, they provide milk, wool, and mobility in places where engines often fail. Protecting their grazing lands ensures the stability of these ancient human networks. The machine facts of their feet show they are equipped with sand shoes. These large, two-toed pads expand when they hit the ground, increasing the surface area to prevent the heavy machine from sinking into the soft dunes. It is a biological version of low-pressure tires. Engineering comparisons often liken the camel to a high-enduring cargo rover. Their ability to carry 600 pounds across a desert while operating on minimal inputs is the gold standard for resource efficiency. They are the inspiration for autonomous rovers designed for Mars. Every trek is a lesson in resource allocation. We often spend our energy as soon as we get it, but the camel proves that storing your fuel and managing your coolant is the key to crossing the longest deserts. It is a reminder that endurance is a calculated mechanical process. Every sandstorm is a laboratory of filtration physics. With triple eyelids and sealable nostrils, the camel is a hermetically sealed unit that can function in a grit-filled atmosphere. It is a partnership between the dust, the wind, and the biological seals that keep the engine clean. Let the camel remind you of the value of efficiency. You don't need to be the fastest to reach the destination. You just need to be the one who doesn't stop. Mastery of life is about knowing how to carry your own hump of resources so you never have to rely on a mirage. Take care of the sturdy hardware of our arid lands. As we look toward the drought-resistant strategies of 2026, the camel remains our most experienced consultant for water management. Respect the hump and protect the dunes, so the ship of the desert may continue to sail.